From wealth crush to millionaire, and 3 steps to transform your life. Intro. Stay one, you dream of wealth. Crush your goals every day. But somehow it feels like you're stuck, right? The path to becoming a millionaire can seem endless, but what if I told you it's simpler than you think? In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can stop crushing it and finally break through to wealth. From your wealth crush phase to true millionaire success, it's all about mindset, actions, and the right strategies. Let's get started. Section 1. Recognizing the wealth crush phase. First thing you need to do is understand where you are right now. You're in the wealth crush phase. What does that mean? You're motivated, excited, but maybe you feel like you're running in place. You're getting inspired by stories of success, watching millionaires on YouTube, scrolling through social media, and thinking, that could be me. But here's the truth. Admiring success is easy. Taking action is hard. Let me ask you this. Do you actually have a plan, or are you just dreaming? Here's the key. Wealth starts with clarity. Not just about your goals, but about the actions you need to take to get there. Action step. Pause this video for a second. Grab a pen. Write down what success looks like for you. Be specific. We'll dive into how to get there. Section 2, Step 1, Stop trading time for money. The first game-changing step to break free from the wealth crush phase is learning how to stop trading your time for money. Let me break this down. When you work for a paycheck, you're working for someone else's wealth. But millionaires don't just work for a paycheck, they leverage their time. Think of it like this. Your time is your most valuable asset. If you're only earning money by working hours, you're putting a cap on how much you can make. But what if you could earn even when you're sleeping? Example, real estate investments, online businesses, automation. These are the tools millionaires use to work smarter, not harder. You need to start thinking beyond the 9-to-5 grind. Build a business, invest, create passive income streams. Action step. What can you do today to move from trading time for money to earning passively? Start researching opportunities in real estate, stocks, or digital products. Section 3, Step 2, Pay yourself first. This one is simple, but it's a game changer. Pay yourself first. What does that mean? Most people get paid, then spend their money on bills, food, and entertainment, leaving whatever's left for savings. But here's the millionaire hack. Pay yourself first. Set aside a percentage of your income for savings or investments before you do anything else. This is what separates the wealthy from the rest. Example. Let's say you get paid $3,000. Instead of waiting to see what's left after expenses, put 20%, $600, into a separate investment or savings account first. That money doesn't belong to you. It belongs to your future wealth. Action step. Start paying yourself first, even if it's just 10% of your income. Get into the habit of saving and investing before spending. Section 4, Step 3, Build multiple income streams. The final step in going from wealth crush to millionaire is building multiple income streams. Millionaires don't rely on one source of income. Why? Because multiple streams of income protect you. If one source dries up, you still have others. Example. Take someone like Warren Buffett. His wealth doesn't come from just one business or stock. He owns diverse assets, stocks, real estate, private equity. You could do the same. It's time to expand your thinking. Look into side businesses, investments, stocks, or even a second job. Build an empire. The secret is to have several things working for you at once. Action step. Start by setting up a side hustle or investment today. Whether it's freelance work, starting a blog, creating an online course, or investing in stocks. Section 5, The harsh truth about getting rich. Here's the harsh truth. It's not just about making money, it's about managing and growing it. You have to keep learning, keep investing, and stay disciplined. Success doesn't happen overnight. The millionaires you admire didn't get there by playing it safe. They took risks, failed, learned from it, and kept going. But here's the kicker. Excuses are more expensive than your dreams. If you keep putting off investing in yourself, your business, or your future, you'll keep missing out on the wealth you deserve. Ultimate conclusion. So, are you ready to stop crushing your dreams and start living them? Your wealth journey starts now. Remember, stop trading time for money, pay yourself first, and build those multiple income streams. You You've got this. Don't wait for permission. Start taking action today, and let's turn that wealth crush into a real-life millionaire story. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips on wealth and success. Let's make it happen.